The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for TLT, and the last time I looked at this ETF was last Saturday, which was on the 24th. You can see the market closed right around the 102, and we did gap down, and we stayed down for the remainder of the week. So where is TLT most likely headed next? Well, if I contain the prices inside of a channel, you can see this is a pretty aggressive channel that prices are working down inside of. So this is the downtrend channel right here, and this tells me that the momentum since the mid-December has been kept. So this is a pretty strong move down. Even if we do see a breakout of this channel, which I'm expecting fairly soon, there's a good chance we get another leg down about the same size that we just created. So you can see that we went up some October to December very rapidly and quickly, and we're going down about the same pace as we went up. So as fast as we went up is how fast we can go down. Looks like the market is coming for these gap fills right here, and probably even the 52-week low for this ETF, which is right around the 91.91 level, or more specifically 91.85. So looks like they're coming back down to fill in these gaps they're created from this up move, and they're targeting the 52-week low. Some might say, how come we're not filling in the gaps that were created from the short side, like over here or over here? Well, this is a bear market. It's a downtrend, so not all the gaps are going to be filled, obviously, that were created from the down move. See, there's a lot of gaps over here that were created from the down move, but the market's too weak to go back up and fill it. So that's why there's also gaps being made on this down move, but most likely they're not going to fill it all because it's still a bear market and a downtrend. So we don't fill in the gaps to the downside. We fill in the gaps that were created from the upside. So basically, if history repeats, most likely it will. This is still looking pretty weak. We fell right below the EMA, and the market is still going lower. So this is really nothing bullish on this chart. There's not a lot of strong support here. What would make me change my mind is we see an extremely large amount of aggressive buying come in and we get back above the EMA. Then I'm like, okay, maybe we come back to retest these highs at the 110 level. As of right now, with everything I see on the price chart, it's not looking like that's occurring right now. So I'm looking for the downside. We had to break outside of this orange channel right here, and we're coming back down to retest these lows. So it could take about a month to play out. I'm not saying it's going to get there tomorrow or next week. It could take a month to a month and a half for us to come back down to this 91 level. So I don't think that's the bottom either. We continue to drop, probably due to market participants thinking they're going to be continuously raising interest rates, something like that. But who knows? It doesn't matter. All I can see is that the prices is dropping, and it looks like it wants to go lower. So here's the weekly chart for TLT. We get rejected from this 21 bar EMA. We try to get above it just back here in November. Prices did close above it. This candle right here, this weekly candle, prices did close above it. Next week, prices traded strongly, got rejected from the previous breakout level at the 109 level. And then we saw strong selling occur. So they brought the price down in this week. And then the next week was kind of neutral. Week after that, we saw a big gap. And then, after that, I think traders, once they saw this close back below the EMA, they were like, okay, we're going to get out of their position. So as of right now, it looks like in the short term, we're going to come back to this 97 level and then maybe get that bounce back up. I'm expecting a correction upwards. I don't think we can continuously move down in this fashion. And then we're going to be going for this 52-week low. Do I see any other potential targets for TLT? Yes, I do. I don't think that's going to be the low. Even if we do test it, there is strong support at the $88 level. And then the next support is at the low 80s and the high 80s. So the high 80s will come first, and then the low 80s. The measure move target is looking for those low 80s. So this is the first leg down. If we don't go back up to the 109, 110 level, then there's a good chance we reach the 80s or even the high 70s. So that's what it looks like TLT is doing right now. We're still dropping pretty harshly, and ever since prices got below the EMA since 2020, prices continue to make lower prices, or it started to hit lower levels. So TLT still looking pretty bearish on the daily, weekly charts. And again, I'm looking for this low $80 target, which can take about looks like March, April-ish. We should probably get there as long as we continue in the same momentum we're currently seeing on the price chart. So that's everything I have for TLT this week, and I'll see you guys next week, Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video in front of your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.